Hi folks, John Tobis here. I want to give you a quick overview of using the quote manager in order to manage quotes to populate your test with the test builder. Now the quote builder is pretty easy to find. Just go into the main page, you can click on test manager, and I go into the test generation tools and select the quote manager. Now the first time you go in the quote manager, you'll probably not have any quotes loaded, so you'll see just a blank screen here for the list of quotes on the bottom. You have the ability to see both English and Spanish. We're just going to work with the English ones today, but everything I'm doing works the same for the Spanish. Well, just so I have some quotes to begin with, I can go and there's a list of sample English quotes. These are quotes that have been used on tests for the past 5 years, so they're probably not going to occur on any new tests, but they're great to practice with. So I can click sample English quotes and it will download as an Excel file. Let me just show you what it looks like. If you click on it, the file that's been downloaded, the file is going to have two columns. It's going to be the author, that's who wrote the quote, and the actual quote itself. Now, you can put your own quotes in there. There's no problem with putting, finding them from another source, going from Goodreads, or maybe go and find some of your favorite tweets. Just go ahead and put them at the bottom of the list. Now, there is one more ability. If you add another column here called notes, you can put keywords so that you can filter the quotes based on the keywords. But once you've got your quotes, you can come into the tool, and there's a button down here that says import quotes from the file. So we click on that, select our file, which is going to be our English quotes that we downloaded. Open that, we import it. It's going to give you the progress as it's going along. This one here, we've got 1,700 quotes, and boom, we've got it done. Now, once you're in the quote manager, it shows you some of the power of what the system has in terms of looking for things. For example, if you were looking for an aristocrat, you want to do something that's an easy, well, you want to have a chi-square value of greater than 10 and less than 20. You'll see as I type these numbers, you'll see that the quotes on the bottom filter down. Also, going to have a longer length, so we want something that's at least 80 characters and less than 95 characters for an aristocrat. See, as I do that, come in, but maybe I'm thinking about, I'm going to do an aristocrat that is going to be, I want to do it as a misspelled. So I'm going to want to have something that has at least 5 homonyms in it. And as you do these filters, this is an and it filters it down to all the different quotes. As you can see, there's actually quite a few quotes that are in the sample file that meet this criteria. What's nice about this is you're seeing what the test builder does when it's building a test. It knows that different types of quotes have different criteria for lengths, the grade level, etc. And all of this works just as well with the English and the Spanish quotes. But once you've done this, if you wanted to go move the quotes to another machine, you can download it. There is this export quotes, and it will export the quotes as a JSON file that you can download and import onto another machine. Hopefully this gives you a good idea of the things that you can do with the quote manager. Mostly this is for viewing it, but for loading it so that you use it with the test builder. We hope you have a great day.